What's up guys, we're in Portugal. We arrived at Lisbon last night, rented a car and drove 3 hours to the Algarve region. We're staying in Albor, in the Hotel Pestana Albor Praia. Great hotel, great staff, great breakfast included in our stay, and direct access to the beach. Although, we're not going there because it's the first week of March, it's winter time, and it's 55 degrees, so it's pretty cold. What we're gonna do today, let me show you. We started by going down to Praia de Prainha, probably saying that wrong, but that's okay. Then we walked around the beach, my wife wanted to be a model, and then we explored the caves and tunnels that are so particular here in the Algarve region, and they were absolutely incredible. After that, we drove to stop number 2, downtown Lagos. After walking around the city, we decided to take a quick bite. We ate in Mimar, where we ordered the sea bass, the tuna, the cod, and some dessert. Everything was really good. After that, we did a quick stop at Coast Supply & Company to pick up our kayaks, because tomorrow we're going to Benagil Cave. Before heading back to the hotel, we visited Ponta da Piedade. We started by going down the stairs to see the cliffs up close, then we went up and I flew my drone for a little bit, and after that we bought 2 beers in Restaurante Sol Nascente and we took them to the cliffs to watch the sunset. We made it. We need to basically kayak to this curve on the left and the cave is gonna be there. Difficult part will be getting out of the shore. The waves are a little bit rough, so we just need to find a good point to get in and hope for the best. Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna be able to do this because the waves are too heavy to get the kayak out.
Poor planning.
After that harsh criticism from my beautiful wife, I deflated the kayaks and just flew my drone for a little bit. Before heading back to Lisbon, we stopped by the cave's viewpoint, which allows us to see the cave from the top, and it's absolutely incredible. A decision that I will soon regret. You see, I wanted to fly my drone entering point A and exiting point B. This was the result. Looking nice. Oh yeah. Oh, please turn right. Turn right. Stop! Stop! And this was my reaction.
¿Es en serio?
Sí,
Pues- Puedes coger un boat tour. Is this for real?
Yes, okay, man. So after the biggest fail with the kayaks in the morning, this happened. At least the drone is facing down and away from the shore. I'm just waiting now for the tour boats to start operating so that I can take a tour to the cave and retrieve it. The ocean is so crazy that even the tour boats are not coming out today, but I was able to arrange a deal with one guy that is gonna go by himself and get the drone for me. Alright, so far our last day has been pretty expensive. We could have rented a boat for 30 euros to go to the cave, but we decided to kayak. That was a bad idea. We couldn't get into the water because it was too rough. So $80. and I paid one of the guys over there 50 euros for search and rescue. Plus we drank a coffee and ate a sandwich, so that's 14 euros. So in total, that is 80 plus 50 plus 14. I don't even want to tell you because I'm pretty mad. We're going to Lisbon. I'll see you there. Alright, so that's it for Lagos. I hope this video helps you plan your adventure to this beautiful city of Portugal. I hope you enjoy and see you on the next one.